Good evening, Namaskar, Vanakkam. Upon your request, I just want to make a short video on box breathing and probably 2 or 3 face yoga which can rejuvenate you after a stressful day. I'll give you instructions because while doing, I'll not be able to talk while holding the breathe, exhalation, inhalation. So, box breathing is a very simple yet powerful technique which you can practice at any time of the day, especially before going to sleep. The reason being, it will help you to go into a deep sleep, de-stress yourself, and a better sleep means a better day, better weight loss, better fat loss, improved memory, a very good focus in what you are doing. Let's begin the video. What are you supposed to do? There are 3 steps. You have to do all in the equal numbers. You will inhale, hold, exhale, all for equal number. Now, for me, that number is 5. I'm comfortable with 5. For you to start with, please do it whatever, like 2, 3. Inhale for 5, hold for 5, exhale for 5, and you have to keep connection with your belly. How is the breathing? Whether you are actually inhaling or it's going wrong, it's going right. So while inhaling, just the way you fill the air in the balloon, it gets inflated. Similarly, your stomach should be inflated when you inhale. Hold there for 5 counts. Exhale, it will be deflated. Let it go in. Shall we start? I'll show you twice. Take few normal deep breaths before you begin anything. Alright, so now I won't speak. Inhale. I inhaled for 5. I hold my breath for 5. I exhale for 5. One more time. Inhale. It may seem really simple, but believe me, it will help you a lot once you start practicing in your routine. Do try it before bedtime. 5 inhale, 5 hold, 5 exhale for 5 times. I don't know, 5 has become like my favorite number. So, some of face yoga routine which is not meant for reducing the fat and all, which I follow to feel relaxed, to feel nice, because just like any other part of the body, even our face has muscles that need to be worked upon. Just like we hold dumbbells for our hands, we put the weights for our legs. Similarly, for our cheeks. Today, I'm not using any water or spoon, but we'll just do it by the pressure of air. Uh, and remember, you have to do all these for 3 times at the count of 10. But I'll just show you for once to keep the length of the video shorter, right? First one, just fill the air in your cheeks and try to swipe left, right, left, right. I look very funny, right? That's okay. That's how face yoga is. That was first, right? Just have to. We used to do this as kids. We used to fill a lot of air and we used to We used to do that. Or chocolate put hai. We used to do that. Next one is you have to again fill the air. Here we will be working on our upper lip and lower lip. Okay, so third one is you have to activate your facial muscles. Just tap. Tap gently. We are not slapping ourselves, we are loving ourselves. Then, to activate this part which is always very dormant, alright. Next one is we'll be using some pressure points on, this is our collarbone, just above the collarbone. Gently press for the count of 10. Leave it. Next one, just from your lips, press. Ten. Under the eyes, gentle, a very delicate area. Leave it. Behind the ears. So you can go up to like 20, 30 as much as you're comfortable. I'm making it short. With the 4 fingers, right behind your neck, come forward. 1, 2, relieve all the stress and tension that your neck carries because of mobile, working on the laptop for the day. Just let it go. I can share you my before after photos. My face used to be so swollen all the time. Cardamom tea helps to remove that puffiness from the face. It helped me a lot. Now I have become lazy, I don't do it anymore. Alright. And the last one is because our eyes are so worked out throughout the day. Just make this victory sign, keep it and open close, just keep blinking. I blinked 20 times. And the last, hold at the tip of your eyebrow and raise your brows. So these two are for the eyes. First few pressure points were to relieve the stress, and the last one, if you get some sort of headache or you're just irritable and you want to calm down, use these 4 fingers. Just stretch, hold, come down, hold, release. One more time. Stretch, hold, come down, release. So that was all about a very simple box breathing and face yoga. Namo Narayana. If you have any queries, DM me.